because girls is players too. Wanna catch you on the flight. Yo, that's my shit. But what's up, my Lena babes? Welcome back to the vlog. It's your girl Lena Mariah. I'm crazy. What's up, my Lena babes? Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, welcome back. Or whatever. I can't freaking think, y'all. But what's up with y'all, my Lena babes? How you baddies are freaking doing? So y'all, I don't know what I'm doing with this video today, you guys, because I got a lot of errands. So I'm just gonna bring you with me. Right now I'm at Olive Garden and I'm finna go eat lunch because your girl is hungry. Also, y'all just did my makeup. I feel like I am doing 10 times better. Like, I've been practicing. I feel like it's doing good to me. I don't know, y'all comment down below, let me know if you like my makeup or not. Then I just got my hair did. So your girl is feeling herself. My curls dropping, y'all, because it's raining in every goddamn thing. And I finally got a side part. I'm a middle part girl, okay? And for me to get a side part, I'm just like that's how I'm thinking, but I'll probably get into it. I don't know, hopefully I get into it. But right now I'm like, but y'all, so I finally made it outside of Olive Garden. As I told you, I'm finna go eat. And we're gonna run some errands. Like, I need to go to the hair store. I need to go to Walmart. I need to go a couple of places. And why not bring y'all with me on this beautiful day, y'all? My nails are busted, so please don't talk about them because I ain't feel like putting no press-ons on. So y'all, subscribe to the family, like this video, click the bell for post new videos. I said that so freaking fast. But y'all, like this video up, click that bell, and know if I'm posting new freaking videos, and subscribe to the freaking family because we lit around that bit, okay? So y'all, let's go eat. I'm talking too motherfucking much and I'm hungry, so let's go get some food, okay?
Dip me underway, you can kill my mind for flow when I went low. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry.
I just want to have a good time. Boom, look. We're born in a row. So y'all, I'm up in here and I ordered me some soup and salad. Hopefully this music don't get copyrighted. But I already ordered, y'all, and I'm ready to eat. And they got all these people in here. I wish they would set me at the bar or something. Yeah, I want some new lip gloss. And it's the lip gloss I like. I see my sister have it now. I want it.
Tori Tillman.
Somebody want to call me. Hello. Hi, how are you? What's up, my Lena babes? Welcome back to the freaking vlog, y'all. So yesterday I didn't finish doing what I need to do. I got in these stores, got lazy. So y'all went to find below, and I got some cute little press on. These are so cute. Like they're like a nude color, like a nude brown. I'm rocking with them. I just did my makeup and my camera's about to freaking die, but I'm going to my sister's photo shoot for her brand, and I'm also vlog it, so I'm gonna bring you all with me on that so you can see the behind the scenes of how we do the photo shoots. I feel like I'm doing like 10 times better with my makeup. I want to go lighter. I feel like I can go lighter, but I don't know, I'm gonna need to practice a little bit more because I'm trying to be a beast at this. I'm trying to be like a beast at doing my own makeup, so I ain't gotta pay nobody. So yeah, so y'all, this is where I'm going. It's called BC Photography. I don't know if you can see it, but there it goes. That's where we're going into. It is pouring down freaking raining. That's why I have a bonnet on, and I also have a stocking cap because I don't want to mess my hair up. Y'all, I use my little curling thing. I'm gonna put the TikTok right there so you can see what I use. Hope I don't run out of time. But ooh, let me come back. Hold on, let me come back for time run out. Look, y'all, look at these curls. Look at the curl. All right, y'all. So this is what they're looking like. I done spin my hands through it to get the curls out, and these curls are bouncy. Okay, so that's why I would use to curl my hair, and my curls came out cute. Like my curls was beautiful. Like as you can see, they was lit. But y'all, let's get into the vlog so we can go and do this photo shoot. I'm late, and it's time to go in. I gotta put y'all down for a minute. Oh, this one is disrespectful as fuck.